Location is all important in real estate, and this attractive home is just 4 miles northwest of High Springs, is halfway between Gainesville and Lake City, and only a couple of miles from Rum Island Park on the Santa Fe River. It's also in Columbia County with its lower tax rate. Exceptionally well maintained and super clean, the home is a top-quality triple-unit Skyline custom home with vaulted ceilings, textured drywall throughout, and a new metal roof. At the end of a long banana plant-lined driveway, the home is invisible from the road, offering great privacy. It's surrounded by a variety of mature trees and shrubs, including 300 banana plants, and has a lovely flower garden just outside the spacious back screen porch, attracting hundreds of butterflies each summer day to complement the daily visits from deer. Features include a fireplace, laminate wood flooring throughout, and transom windows for extra light. New HVAC system installed February 28, 2018. Newer items include front and side porches, dishwasher, microwave and Maytag washer and dryer and refrigerator. There's also a 24 by 36 workshop with concrete floor. Enjoy a retreat to natural beauty on this exceptional property.